Good evening. It's time once again for the Barry Bird Show.
Hey.
Tonight, Barry brings down the house with a new segment called Uncle Barry's Joke Time. And he brings you an exclusive world premiere.
Hiya, kids. It's your old pal, Uncle Barry, with some hilarious new jokes for you. Okay, here goes. Why did the chicken cross the road in the mud? She had a hot date with the rooster. Now here's a classic. How do you keep fish from smelling? You cut off their noses. And last, how many sides are there to a duck? 2. Inside and outside. Oh, funny stuff. Tonight, we have a special surprise for you. Toaster City's own Moonlight Ice Rink is hosting the world premiere of Andrew Lloyd Webber's Hulk on Ice. Covering this monumental event for us is our own Virgil Fuss to get the seniors' perspective. Duh. And the teenager will be hooking us up and keeping it real. Oh. What's that? Okay, the show's starting. We're gonna go live right now.
Oh, that was awesome. I want my money back.
Well, there you have it. 2 thumbs way up. And we're out of time. So good night. Stay here.
Wow, what a great show. We hope you enjoyed your evening with Barry Bird. Please tune in again next week. We have a wonderful show lined up for you. Thanks for tuning in, and good night, everybody.
Catch you on the flip side.